Hey, it's James here from TraderDudes.com. In a previous video, which was called Pinbars and Divergence, I went through a trade setup that was occurring and was of great interest to me, but I just couldn't quite bring myself to take it because of a few factors. Now, would like to follow up on that video and sort of show you what happened. If you remember. If you've seen the video before, you should remember this should be familiar to you. If you've not, then I'll do a quick run through of what we had looked at. The video title was Pinbars and Divergence. So, right away we have the two pin bars we were talking about. We have the first one and we have the second one. It was the second one that was of interest to us because it had just broken the previous pin bar. So we had it making a new high and coming all the way back in again. And if we add the MACD to our charts, we also had the divergence as well. So we had a divergence on price where it was making a higher high, and we had against a divergence on the MACD where it was making a lower high. And this was the sort of setup that I just couldn't quite bring myself to take. I think because the main reason was, if we zoom in a little bit further, was I like to get my stop to break even, take a quick profit right away, get my stop to break even on the remaining 50%. And the problem for me was this area right here. There was a very strong previous resistance area, and I expected price to have a lot of trouble getting through this area, and I like to really sort of have an initial quick move, so I know that I can get my profit, stop loss to break even, and sort of secure that profit. And I just wasn't confident enough with that. But as you can see, price just broke down almost right away. Within hours, I think after posting the video, sort of recording, uploading and posting the video on the blog. And sure enough, I even in that video as well, I also mentioned, I said we might get a move, and price could make a move down to this level. It's unlikely, but there's a strong chance, there is a chance of it. And I didn't expect it to happen so quickly. If I had expected it, obviously I would have been in that trade, but there you go. And price has stayed, as you can see, that support resistance level is being respected right now. Price is, it had an initial reaction here as price came down. We bounced up a bit, came down again, and this is us coming up here and coming down again. So you can see these SR levels. They work, they work indefinitely. They remain. So even though it occurred in the past and it broke through it here, that resistance, support, it broke through again, but sure enough, we're finding resistance again, and that's just the way it goes. Obviously, I wish I'd been on this trade. I wasn't, but there will be others. But I just wanted to post a short follow-up video on that pin bar and divergence trade. Hopefully, you saw it happening and unfolding. On your own charts in real time. But if you didn't, there you go. I've done a bit of analysis on it there for you. But okay, I'm going to wrap this video up. And remember, be picky, be profitable. Thank you.